Hey guys and girls, welcome back to Dave's Shop. Hey, I had to come back to this international tool site again. They're having their 25 days of deals, and man, are they having a deal today. And I wanted to show it to you. I wanted to make sure you didn't miss out on this. These are great Christmas gifts. It's still time. There's still time enough to get these ordered and under the tree before Santa gets there. Hey, check out this Makita 18-volt lithium-ion subcompact brushless half-inch quarter hammer drill. Now this is a tool only, but check it out, 59.88. Now there is a limited quantity on those, it looks like, so you don't want to wait on that. And if you watch the video from yesterday on the same site, check it out. They still have the Milwaukee M18 brushless quarter-inch heck 3-speed impact driver. Now both of these are just the bare tool, but I just want to show you a comparison. The Makita to what I found that this sells for at Home Depot. So let me switch over. Home Depot, here's the tool itself. Home Depot's price is $113.44. So you're looking at a pretty good savings there since International Tool has it for $59.88. You know, you could expect to pay somewhere around 10 bucks shipping plus some tax, but you're still going to save, you know, probably, what are we looking at, 60, 70 bucks here. So I'm going to keep coming back to this site. I want to see all their deals, but currently they do still have both deals going, the Makita and also the Milwaukee. What a great deal. They do have, I'll just go ahead and show you what else they have listed here on this page. This is also a great deal for Makita. Compact brushless impact driver kit. Looks like you get the driver, battery, and a charger. So, you know, $129.88, great deal. You can compare that with some of the other stuff. They do have the DeWalt Atomic 20-volt brushless oscillating multi-tool. 79.88. This is also a pretty good deal. I didn't compare that one to where it's sold at Home Depot, but these are some good prices. They do have the M18 3AH battery and charger starter kit for 99 bucks. That's not a bad deal at all. Anyway, so just wanted to show you some of the other stuff. I'll just kind of scroll down and let you take a look here at what they're showing that they have on sale. You might find some other items here in this list. These Milwaukee heavy duty t-shirts, I really love them. I have one of these, and $15.99 is a great price for that. Looks like they had one up. Looks like that particular size sold out, but they do have extra large and 2X still available. So anyway, that's what I wanted to show you today. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully it was helpful. Hopefully it'll give you some more Christmas ideas to put under the tree for your husband, your grandfather, friend, you know, whatever. These are just some great deals on tools, and I wanted to share that with you during the Christmas season. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit the like button. It helps me with YouTube. Also, share with your friends and family so that everybody can enjoy the savings here on these tools. And don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, have a safe and Merry Christmas.